Do you want to add your favorite picture as new wallpaper on your iPhone 8 Plus? Look no further. Here's an easy video tutorial on how to add your favorite wallpaper on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Wallpaper, now tap plus Add New Wallpaper. From here, you can choose the iPhone's default wallpaper. Tap Photos from the top left side. Now choose and tap on your favorite picture from here. After that, tap Add from the top right corner. Now tap Set as Wallpaper Pair. And that's it. So guys, this is how you can add your favorite picture on your iPhone 8 Plus home screen. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.